In a small village nestled between the rolling hills of rural India, lived a young boy named Arjun. Raised in humble surroundings, Arjun dreamt of breaking free from the constraints of his circumstances. His parents, despite their struggles, instilled in him the belief that education was the key to a brighter future. Undeterred by the challenges of their financial limitations, Arjun immersed himself in his studies, utilizing every spare moment to grasp knowledge from borrowed books and the occasional village school. His determination caught the eye of the elders, who recognized his potential and pooled together resources to support his education. Arjun's journey was not without obstacles. The nearest high school was in a town miles away, and the commute was arduous. Undeterred, he woke up before dawn, walked miles, and returned home long after sunset. His unwavering spirit inspired others in the village, proving that resilience could conquer any hardship. As the years passed, Arjun's academic excellence opened doors to opportunities beyond the village. A scholarship paved his way to a prestigious university. In the bustling city, he faced cultural shocks and economic disparities, but the values instilled in him by his humble upbringing became his guiding light. Arjun not only excelled academically, but also actively sought ways to uplift his community. Armed with knowledge, he returned to the village, advocating for education and initiating projects for sustainable development. His story resonated across the country, inspiring a movement. The Arjun Initiative aimed to provide educational support to underprivileged children in rural India. Donations poured in from people touched by his journey, both within the country and globally. Arjun's tale became a beacon of hope, proving that a single determined individual could break the shackles of adversity and, in doing so, uplift an entire community. His journey was not just personal. It symbolized the potential within every aspiring soul and the transformative power of education. The story of Arjun ignited dreams in the hearts of many, reaffirming the belief that, in the vast tapestry of India, every thread, no matter how humble, played a crucial role in the nation's vibrant narrative. 5.